Hi, little yogis. I'm so happy you're here. Let's move, stretch, and feel amazing together. Subscribe so you never miss the fun. Ready? Let's go. Butterfly pose. Sit on the floor. Bring the sawless of your feet together. Hold your feet and sit tall like a butterfly.
Happy energy in the air. Breathe in deep, nice and slow. Let your happy feelings grow. Feel the sunshine in your toes. That's the way our yoga goes.
Tree pose. Stand tall on one foot. Place your other foot on your leg. Bring your hands together and balance like a tree. Nice work. Next one. Cobra pose. Lie on your tummy. Place your hands under your shoulders. Push up your chest and look up like a cobra.
1, 2, 3. Balance steadily, don't you fall. You're the strongest one of all. Now a cat, stretch your back. Then a cow, nice and relax. Round and
Candle pose. Lie on your back on the floor. Lift your legs up to the sky. Hold your hips with your hands and stay tall.
Makes your power grow.
Monkey pose. Slide one leg forward and one leg back. Keep your hands on the floor for balance. Sit tall and feel the stretch.
Slow it down, don't be fast. Make this moment always last. Little breath in, little breath out. Feel what yoga's all about.
Skate pose. Kneel on one knee. Stretch your other leg to the side. Lift one arm up and lean over your leg. Almost there. Now switch to the other side. Kneel on the other knee. Stretch your leg out and lean over.
Lift your arms up to the sky. Watch your dreams go floating by. In this moment you will find
Tree pose. Stand tall on one foot. Place your other foot on your leg. Bring your hands together and balance like a tree.
Every move soft and kind leaves the worries far behind. Feel the light inside of you, shining in the things you do. Every stretch and every
Seated side bend pose. Sit cross-legged on the floor. Place one hand on the ground. Lift your other arm up and bend to the side.
Love and full of light. Take a breath and you will see all you are is meant to be. Stand up tall just like a tree, rooted strong and feeling free.
Seated side bend pose, other side. Stay sitting cross-legged. Place your other hand on the ground. Lift your arm up and bend to the other side.
Move with calm and harmony. Every breath you softly take is a step your heart can make. Feel the light inside of you.
Lotus pose. Sit cross-legged on the floor. Keep your back straight and tall. Rest your hands on your knees and take a slow breath.
You are strong, you are bright, full of love and full of light. Take a breath and you will see all you are is meant to be.
Bow pose. Lie on your tummy. Bend your knees and hold your feet. Lift your chest up like a bow.
Safe and true, there is magic inside you. Feel the light inside of you. Everything you dream is true. Every moment, every day, you are growing in your way.
Garland pose. Squat down with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your heels on the ground. Bring your hands together at your chest and sit tall.
Hello, little friends, it's now time to move and play. Roll your shoulders gently. Start
Cat pose. Get on your hands and knees. Round your back like a cat. Look down and feel the stretch.
Feel your body waking. Everything feels right. Take a breath in deep. Let it softly go. Move your feet so lightly.
Camel pose. Kneel on the floor. Place your hands on your heels. Push your chest up and look up.
Let's do yoga for a while. Bend down, reach up to
pose, lie on your back. Lift your legs over your head. Touch your toes to the floor behind you.
Touch the morning light. Feel your body waking. Everything feels right. Take a breath in deep. Let it softly go. Move your feet so
Boat pose. Sit on the floor. Lift your legs up. Stretch your arms forward and balance like a boat.
Let's do yoga for a while. Bend down, reach up to the sky. Wave your hands and say hi. Hi. Stretch and smile.
Downward dog pose. Place your hands on the floor. Lift your hips up high. Keep your legs straight and look at your feet.
Stand just like a flaming goat. Balance on one leg. If you wobble, giggle, that's okay. Soaring to a foot above. Fill in your wings.
Side stretch. Left pose. Stand with your feet apart. Lift your right arm up high. Lean gently to the left and feel the stretch.
To a rainbow. Joy is by your side. Stretch and smile, stretch and smile. Let's do yoga for a while.
Now do the same on the right side. Lift your left arm up high. Lean gently to the right and stretch.
Stretch and smile, feel so free. Be the best that you can be. Strong and happy every day. Yoga time, let's play our way. In and out, nice and
Chair
slow.
pose. Stand with your feet together. Bend your knees like you are sitting on a chair. Lift your arms up high and stay
Little
strong.
hearts and tiny toes. How though does your bird, your toe?
Thank you for being with me today. Subscribe so we can meet again on the mat. Have a nice day.